Achieving healthy weight loss is all about finding that perfect balance between consistent exercise, a balanced diet, and a strong mindset. Every body is unique, so our paths to weight goals can differ. It's crucial to choose exercises that not only work, but are also enjoyable and easy to fit into our lives. Running and jumping rope are two fantastic options that stand out for their effectiveness and affordability. Running boosts endurance and strengthens your heart, while jumping rope is a powerhouse for toning your body and improving coordination. Both can help maintain weight and enhance overall fitness. But which one should you choose? It really depends on your personal preference and fitness level. If you love the open air and the rhythm of your feet hitting the ground, running might be your go-to. On the other hand, if you're looking for a quick, high-intensity workout that you can do almost anywhere, jumping rope could be the winner. The key is to find what you enjoy and stick with it. Log in to https://indianf.com, running vs. jumping rope weight loss for details.